Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
First shots of this match going up from Route -1 out of Arkansas. They swing back in, shooting up 3 more. Their alliance partner in the backfield, Enigma Riddlers out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. Loading up on artifacts, swinging back around and aiming high. Ready to go with these artifacts, keeping on bringing the Blue Alliance lead up ever higher. 10 seconds left in auto. Red Alliance still churning through this last shot off Cyber Michiana as they make their way back down to a spike mark that's already empty. Returning back to this close launch zone as auto winds down.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Now the flywheels spool back up and these teams are ready to go. First shots of Teleop coming off of the Arkansas machine, Route -1. They're going to then take those 3 artifacts right back and shoot again. Continuing to churn through. These artifacts also managing to match the motif, so maximizing the 15 points possible each time they do that. Red Alliance looking to score, but the opportunistic defense coming in off Enigma Riddlers. They now go back to intake from the Blue Alliance loading zone. They've got artifacts on board, swinging back to that close launch zone. They break the plane and get their shots right on up. As from the Red Alliance, Cyber Michiana comes in right in front of them. Their bright red turret swinging on through. They're trying to load up some more artifacts as they get ready to go. Aiming that turret up high. 1, 2, 3 for that Red Alliance, all staying in. Going right on through the classifier to the ramp. 3 points apiece, except for those that match the motif. 1 minute left in match play, 171-43, and the Blue Alliance already had 56 artifacts scored. They may be on track to get that goal RP. They only need to get 6 more artifacts in to hit the 67 threshold, and the 3 coming through off the Arkansas machine. They might be very, very, very close to that. 1 more needed now if they can get it. Terminal velocity, meanwhile, holding it back by that Red Alliance loading zone. The Blue Alliance indeed above 67 artifacts scored, so they have locked up at least 1 bonus RP. With 28 seconds left to go, 225-52 is that Blue Alliance lead as we move on towards the end game. With that whistle, end game begins. Seems like artifacts are the name of the game for now, as teams go to intake and keep on boosting their score a bit by bit. Blue Alliance, though, ready to go for Parks with 6 seconds ready. Looks like they may have a full and partial pairing. Red trying to do the same as our final buzzer sounds.
And 18, Blue Alliance wins with 278 points. And now, we're on Croft Division, field number 2. This is match 120. This is the last match of Croft Division.